In the early 1940s, India was still under British rule, yet a vision was taking shape, one that would give the nation wings. Walchand Hirachand, an ambitious industrialist, dared to dream of an India that built its own aircraft free from foreign dependency. Despite skepticism and resistance, he convinced the Maharaja of Mysore to support his plan. On the 23rd of December 1940, in a quiet corner of Bangalore, Hindustan Aircraft Limited was born, an aircraft factory in a country that hadn't even achieved independence. But the world was at war. The British, initially dismissive of the idea, soon found themselves in desperate need of aircraft. The Royal Air Force took control of the company, using it to repair and service warplanes. Though it was a start, Walchand's vision remained incomplete. His dream was not just to repair aircraft, but to build them. Independence came in 1947, and with it, a new challenge. India had gained its freedom, but its military relied almost entirely on foreign equipment. How could a young nation protect its skies without its own aircraft? In 1964, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, a staunch believer in self-reliance, merged Hindustan Aircraft Limited with two other aeronautical firms to create Hindustan Aircraft Limited. The goal was clear. India would no longer depend solely on foreign powers for its defense needs. HAL took on the challenge, assembling aircraft under license, including the MiG-21, a Soviet jet that would become the backbone of the Indian Air Force. But mere assembly wasn't enough. India needed to design and build its own fighter jets. This led to the creation of the HF-24 Marut, India's first indigenous jet fighter, designed in collaboration with a German engineer, Dr. Kurt Tank. The project was ambitious, but the aircraft struggled due to a lack of a powerful engine. Though it saw limited combat, the Marut proved that India had the talent and determination to develop its own warplanes. It was the first step toward true self-reliance. The 1970s saw HAL making steady progress. It produced the Ajit, an improved version of the British Nat fighter, and began manufacturing helicopters. However, the real test came in 1998 when India conducted nuclear tests. The world responded with to crucial defense technologies. HAL, like the rest of India's defense sector, faced a crisis. But instead of crippling India's defense sector, the company ramped up its efforts to develop indigenous aircraft. One of the most significant milestones was the development of the development of the Dhruv Advanced Light Helicopter, a versatile machine that could operate in high altitudes and harsh conditions. It became a key asset for the Indian Army and Air Force, proving HAL's ability to design and manufacture. For decades, India had dreamed of developing its own modern fighter jet. That dream finally took shape in the form of the light combat aircraft Tejas. Tejas was more than just a plane, it was a symbol of India's growing technological prowess. HAL engineers worked tirelessly, overcoming technical hurdles, limited resources, and international skepticism. There were delays, but in 2015, the first Tejas squadron was inducted into the Indian Air Force. It was a defining moment. For the first time, Indian pilots were flying a fighter jet designed and built in India. The journey had come full circle from assembling foreign aircraft to creating a world-class fighter jet. Today, HAL isn't just about military aircraft. It supplies parts to global aviation giants like Boeing, Airbus, and Rolls-Royce. It has built Rudra, India's first attack helicopter, and is now working on the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, a next-generation stealth fighter. From a small factory in Bangalore to becoming one of the world's leading aerospace companies, HAL's journey is a story of resilience, innovation, and an unbreakable spirit. As India reaches for the stars literally with ISRO's space missions, HAL stands as a testament to what a nation can achieve when it dares to dream. And as the engines of the next generation fighter jets roar into life, one thing is certain: India's wings are now truly its own. Thank you so much for your support. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing content on history, technology, and inspiring journeys. Your support keeps us going. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more.